time almost syllabus is completed. Today third time syllabus started. So first chapter is the changing trends and career in physical education. So firstly we will discuss is the main meaning and definitions of physical education. So meaning and definitions of physical education are related. Firstly we will discuss is the meaning and definitions of physical education and its aim and objectives. So first is meaning of physical education. So physical education is an education which helps in humors hormones growth and development of the child, especially day by day our body growth and especially hormones growth and development of the our body, the development of the child. This is the physical education. So it develops all the aspects of an individual's personality. For example, physical, mental, and well as social. So to understand the meaning of physical education, we must be aware of the meaning of education. So education is not only reading, writing, gaining knowledge, going to school, reading other books, etc. So education is the process of learning which modifies our behaviors towards progress. The word physical is referred as bodily movements or body actions. Thus, we can say that physical education is the process of learning which modifies our behavior through bodily based actions. Okay, this is the main meaning of physical education. Next is the definition of physical education. So, definitions related physical education has been constantly undergoing a change since the ancient time till the present age. So it has adopted a specified system of physical education, and this system is changing in every age. But all these approaches and changes reach the same consolations. So, according to J.V. Nash, physical education is that field of education which deals with big muscles, activities, and their related responses. So, according to J.F. William, physical education is the sum of a man's physical activity selected as to kind and conducted as to their outcomes. This is the according to J.F. Williams. Next is the according to Delvoye our number. Physical education is the sum of those experiences which come to the individual through movement. Next is according to R. Cassidy. So physical education is the sum of changes in the individual caused by experience involving motor activity. This is the fourth definition of physical education. Next is the according to AR Women, physical education is the part of education, so which has to do with the development and training of the whole individual through physical activities. This is the according to AR Weber. Next is according to APPER. So APPER is the American Allies Health and Physical Education. That's physical education is the way of education through physical activities while are selected and carried and with regard to values in human growth, development, and behaviors. Okay, next is the according to Charles A. Butcher. So physical education is an integral part of the total education process is a field of involves which has its aim of development of physical, emotional, and socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activities which have been selected with a view as realize the outcomes. Next is according to Dr. J.P. Thomas. So physical education is the education through physical activity for the development of total personality of the child and its fulfillment and perfections is body, mind, and spirit. Okay, this is the physical education definition. As Vrindaji is saying, beta, any doubt for later first chapter for meaning of physical education and definition of physical education. So I explained one by one different authors, different definitions for according to uh, Jeff William, H.C. Walk, yeah, according to Center Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreation. It means physical education is a education. It is the education through physical activities for the development of total personality of the child to its fullness and perfection in body, mind, and spirit. This is the Center Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreation. Okay, so different authors, different definitions. So next topic is we will discuss is the aim and objective of physical education. Okay, so first we will discuss is the aim. So meaning of aim and objective. So aim is the highest possible achievement, or we can say the ultimate achievement of goal. The aim is one. For example, your aim is after education. It means after 12th you choose is the medical stream. Yeah, for example, uh, commerce students, your aim is I am achieve clear CA test. Okay, so this is a different aim. So during sports, your aim is I am playing for international team for Indian. Okay, the Indian team represented. This is the different aims. So main is the aim is the highest possible achievement, or we can say the ultimate achievement of goal. The aim is one. Okay, there are few non-medical students we achieve after 12th and DA joined. Okay, yeah, after 12th medical students uh, PMD test cleared. Okay, NEET test cleared. So this is a different students, different aims. So next is objectives. So objectives can be many, and objectives are the milestone of achieve the aim. So different educationists have expressed their views and about the aim of physical education. So physical education aim is the J.F. William, according to J.F. William, physical education should aim to provide skilled leadership, okay, and ample time for the individual and the group of participate in activities that are physical, awesome, mentally, and socially sound. Next is according to J.R. Sharma. The aim of physical education is to influence the experience of person to the extent that each individual within the limits of his capacity may be helped to adjust successfully in society, to increase and improve his wants and to develop the ability to satisfy his wants. This is the according to J.R. Sharma. Okay. So next is the main conclusion is the after studying the above definitions of the aim of physical education, we arrive at the consolations, the optimums, wholesome qualities should be developed in persons through the medium of physical education. So next is objective of physical education. So next topic is after two questions started. So main aim and meaning of physical education clear out. So main one question is the Brindarjit Singh and Sahil Rajput. Next question is what is the aim of physical education? This is the MCQ question. What is the aim of physical education? So firstly, you will discuss is the main. Just wait. What is the aim of physical education? It means answer is physical development, awesome development of an invisible, yeah, growth and development, yeah, mental development. Please give me answer. Physical development, awesome development of an invisible, yeah, growth and development, yeah, mental development. This is the MCQ question. Repeat this question. What is the aim of physical education? First is physical development. Second is also development of an invisible. Third point is okay. B. Also development of an invisible. This is Brindarjit Singh. Option B. Anji, very good, beta. Option B is the awesome development of an invisible. Next question is the major aim of physical education is to ensure an first is child optimum physical development, programs of activity and sports for all, and third is all-round development of the invisible, and D is complete removal of boredom of the classroom activities. Second question for MCQ. Anjali Singh, second question is which option? But when you class start, please open the book, read this chapter. So any doubts, so send message. Okay. Option C. So all-round development of the individual. So this is the later for two question is the first topic aim related. Okay. So aim is clear. So next question is the after this topic objectives of physical education. So main today we will discuss is the objectives only. Okay. So objectives related main is regarding the objectives of physical education. Many leading educationists of physical education advocate different objects according to their views. Okay, physical fitness, social efficiency according to H class, yeah, book, book water according health, was uses of leisure, yeah, ethical characters. So different authors, different objectives according. Okay, so JF Nesco according emotional development, original development, interpretive judgment development, neuromuscular development, yeah, HC. Work given the following objectives: organic development and development of correct health habits, the development of right and social attitude and conduct. So we can say different authors, different definitions. But main conclusion is the after the analysis of above mentioned objects, it can be conclude that the following are the main objective of physical education. First is physically development, second is mentally development, third is socially development, fourth is neuromuscular development or coordination, and fifth is emotional development. This is the five types of objective main. Okay. So main is the first physical development. So physical education is a related to physical activities and we perform especially these physical activities. There are various effects of these activities on our original symptoms like muscles and especially the objective related like muscle, digestive, respiratory, etc. So these symptoms are developed in size, shape, efficiency, etc. So hence it can be stated that physical development is possible through these objectives of physical education. So this also promote a sound health which enable the individuals to be valuable asset for the society and nation. This is the first physically development. Okay. So main as a physically development is our physique day by day development. Next is mentally development. Mentally development is the physical activities sharpen the mind, sharpen the mind, and on the other hand, to perform various activities of concentration of mind is essential and without concentration. So it is not possible to perform any activity or play any game. Along with the physical activity, physical education is also a subject like various other education subjects. So it include rules and regulations, techniques of the games, anatomical and physiological studies, balanced diet, and health and diseases. So personal hygiene extra. So in this way, mental development takes places. It means mental development also is the development for physical education, main objective. Next is the socially development. Third point is social development. Social development related, man is a social animal and cannot live along without society. Man is part of the society and has to follow the rules, regulations, traditions, and laws of the society. His achievement in society prove his identity and helps in personality development through physical education programs. He she learn social rules and regulations which make leadership and boldness, self-control, self-discipline, etc. A good sportsman is always a good citizen. So he knows how to adjust with others. Physical education provides good opportunity for social development. Next is the fourth objective is the neuromuscular development. Neuromuscular coordination also is the name. So the objective aims at better coordination between neuro system and muscular system, brain and the muscles. It means brain will control the muscles. The activities of physical education provide ample opportunities for the especially ample opportunities for the better neuromuscular coordination in various games, especially situations our neuromuscular coordination is developed. Good coordination helps to keep away the fatigue during various activities. The proper uses of our energy can be made. So if we have good neuromuscular coordination, we get accuracy and smooth functioning of our body. So in performing physical activity, our reaction time become better. The activities of physical education help in making efficient movement of our body. Thus, through physical activities, our neuromuscular coordination becomes efficient. This is the main neuromuscular development. Next is the emotional development is the fifth point, last objective. The emotional development of an individual is also the major objective of physical education. So every individual has various types of emotions like hope, fear, energy, and anger, love, etc. So if individual does not have appropriate control over these emotions, he becomes abnormal and uncontrollable. So these emotions are too vital for every individual, but access of these is always bad. The programs of physical education help to develop these emotions and also teach us to have proper control over emotions. This is the emotionally development. So dear students, today we will discuss what is the aim of physical education, meaning of physical education, and definition of physical education and objective of physical education. And we will discuss the MCQ question also. So any other student doubt related this topic, please send message me. And every day when your class started, firstly read this topic and any doubt related this topic. So please send message me and discuss the question also. Okay. So this is the question also. Explain objectives of physical education. So what is the meaning of physical education? What is the aim of physical education? So what is objectives of physical education? Explain now. So this is the three questions. Okay. Yeah, 5 marks, one question is the meaning of physical education, definition, aim of physical education, and objective of physical education. Okay. So I hope you are understanding this topic. Any other student doubt? Any doubt? Sahil? Okay, beta. Okay, dear. So tomorrow again we will discuss the next topic. So thank you. Have a nice day. Read this topic.